welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha and I make videos about fashion, styling and my personal vlogs. If you guys new here, well, very welcome to you. So today's video I'm going to talk about all winter fashion trends which are going to be this year and also in 2021, which going to be here in fashion market. Everyone going to wear them, and yeah, why not us? So here I am, guys. So my first fashion winter trend I'm going to share is cropped blazer, which I'm wearing right now. So you know what, like definitely I want to go with trend, but I also want to be little sustainable because yeah, I am thinking about sustainability this year, and I'm getting a little bit conscious about buying clothing pieces. I'm not going to go all crazy about the trends and everything, but definitely few trends which I really like, I want to incorporate those items or that one item of trending clothing in my closet. So this is cropped blazer and I'm totally loving this trend, so that's why I'm showing you this. So this is tweed, this is checkered, and it has some pink and black checks which I totally love. It is also like, why I like this, because it's totally out of from the color family of the earthy tones and all, but I'm totally liking it. I'm wearing it with white turtleneck and blue denims with white boots, and I am thinking it's going very well. And this headpiece, So the second item I'm going to talk about is skirt and blazer set, which are so much in trend right now, guys. And yeah, after watching Emily in Paris, I'll ask you to buy that. Yeah, so I have bought same as Emily in Paris skirt and blazer set because I wanted to do a video, and I will do a video of Emily in Paris styling. I'm gonna copy that. Yes, I am. So yeah, so the next one is this. So this is a long oversized blazer and a skirt set. It's in black and white, plaid checkered. Checkered is also in so much trend, guys, this year. So people are wearing really long coats which are checkered blazers, and then here I am with this. So let me try this and show you how it looks. So this one I bought from Shein. The last blazer, cropped blazer, was also from Shein. I think I can buy under the budget trends from there. Yes, guys, this is how it looks. It's an oversized blazer and a skirt which I'm wearing with white turtleneck and white boots. I think this is going really well with white, and yeah, it's also a Emily in Paris kind of vibe as well. So there you go. The best thing about this outfit is you can wear it definitely separately as well and all together. So I think it's not a bad deal to invest in these two pieces. Wear the skirt with white or black, any top. I think this blazer will go really well with jeans, black pants, with anything. Okay, so the third item which is totally trending this season, which is sweater vest. Sweater vest is going full on this season, this winter season, and next year as well. And I think it's so perfect for layering as well, as layering is going also in so much trend. So yeah, here's my two sweater vests. I've ordered them from Amazon. One is this. This is in a houndstooth print, which is like really going crazy. Everyone is wearing this, so I'm gonna style this with this oversized white shirt and black skirts. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'm wearing this on top of my oversized shirt to give it like more school look. That is also in trend, like school looks, like as I've shown you before, the two pieces skirt and blazer set, and then again this sweater vest. I was feeling really sad when I remember Gaurav had one vest, but I've donated it I think 2 years back because I thought, who's gonna wear this, but we don't know, like this trend is coming again and I have to buy this, and yeah, it's looking totally awesome. I think so I'm gonna wear it. I think I'm liking this trend, and it is so good for layering as well. Layering is also a trend this year. You're gonna wear a lot of clothes on top of that, but I feel good about that because being in New York City, layering is always gonna work. So this is the best thing to do, or to layer underneath your overcoats or your fox feather coats or anything. This is how it looks. This year the chunky chain jewelries are so much in trend. You know, I've seen them last year also, but this year everyone is wearing this, and everyone is wearing this with, you know, with deep neck, like with the plunging neckline, or even with the shirts or over your turtlenecks. You know, it's gonna look so good. Like I'm wearing right now these ones as well. So definitely I can stack them all together and, you know, make a chunky necklace look like this. I bought them before fall, I think. So again, I bought them from Shein because they are really reasonable. They're, you know, they're wearing these two chains. One is chunky and one is this. And I think this looks good with white shirt or any of your outfit which, you know, where you want to show you a lot of chunky jewelry. And also I'm adding this belt as well on my skirt. This is also a chain detailed belt, and it has this, you know, nice sparkly shiny buckle, but I'm keeping it on the side to make it like minimal, not too much, because I'm already wearing in my neck. So yeah, just to show the chains. Okay guys, so the next trend I want to talk about is colors. You know, colors like, you know, autumn and winter colors are all, again, they are so much in trend because they are always in trend. Autumn colors like earthy tones are very much in trend right now, and they're gonna be trending next year, 2021 winter as well. This dress I'm wearing, which is totally, you know, appropriate for winter, I think so. It's a Marcella kind of color. It's maroon and a wine kind of, a purplish kind of mix of color, which is totally working really well with this weather, you know. And also, like, I'm adding a belt on top of this, you know, to accentuate my little big waist. Yeah, so also I'm wearing these loafers with this. You know, these loafers, these are also earthy tone color, emerald green, which I think really good for winter season to wear with these kind of, you know, dresses, and loafers work really well with that. Also, I'm gonna show you another colors which are earthy tone, like, you know, like obviously the tan color coat, which is earthy color, and, you know, red, I can say whatever colors you see in nature during winter season or autumn season, they are very much in trend. Also, I want to talk about one more color which I've seen like a lot of people are wearing. I have seen in fashion videos, you know, fashion runway videos, guys. That is pale yellow, like really light pastel yellow. I don't have that pastel yellow, but I have this blazer with this dress, and it's looking beautiful, I think so. You know, I'm adding a belt. So here comes us with another trend. You guys can do easily, like, from your wardrobe. You don't have to buy anything else, like you don't have to run for the trend and buy a new clothes. No. So another trend is belted coats, belted blazers. This is so much in trend, guys. Like, people are wearing blazers and adding your own belt on top of that. It's gonna make a trend. So this is another trend I'm talking about here after colors. So this black blazer I bought from Zara. I'm gonna link everything, you know, whatever I'll find in the description box for you guys. And, you know, this is the belt. This is how it looks, you know. You're staying cozy, warm, and also stylish with the belted coats. I'm saying, you know, if you have a coat which doesn't have belt, this came with a belt, but you can add your own belt on top of that, and you're totally rocking the trend. Hi guys, so the next one I want you to talk about, fox fur. Yeah, fox fur is trending. It was trending last year. It's totally trending this year as well. And also there's one different trend, which is fox fur and suede. You know, there are so many coats people are wearing with fox fur, suede and fox fur coats. So I have this one which I bought like almost, you know, 3 years ago. This is the coat. It's a suede and fox fur, fox suede and fox. This one I bought, and this is from Calvin Klein. Yes. And I'll link everything below, guys, if I find similar things. And yeah, so this is, I totally love this coat. It is really warm and it's enough. You know, people are wearing like this. Let me show you. And even there are so many coats which has fur on the cuffs, but then I can definitely, you know, use this coat for the trend this year again. I usually wear it every year, and this is how it looks. This is very nice, very warm. And the other one is this fox fur coat, which I think I wore 1,000 times till now. And I totally love this. I'm wearing it with many dresses, with denims, with everything. This goes very well, and I totally love the color also. You know, it's a rust red kind of color. It's not totally red, but it's like some different red. So fox fur is in so much trend. And it's warm as well. You know, it keeps you stylish, it keeps you trendy, and it keeps you warm and comfortable in this cold weather. The next trend is really out of the box. It is metallic. Metallic colors are so much in trend in 2020 winter, and 2021 they're gonna be in trend as well. So I feel, you know, metallic is always OTT, over the top. But if you style any metallic piece or anything in your wardrobe, you can definitely rock the trend. You know, if you don't want to go over the top, definitely you can rock with your little purses, clutches, you know, buy them in a metallic color, gold or silver. You can rock, but I am going to rock something which I've never worn since I bought. It is metallic, this gold and black metallic jacket. Guys, I bought this I think almost 3 years ago, and I bought this on sale from H&M when I was not at all thinking about my closet, my essentials, nothing. I just bought it because I really like it, so I bought it. Look, the tag is still there. I bought it for $30, which is I think a deal. And again, this is so much warm inside, but again, I've never wore it because I thought I'm not gonna rock this look, you know, but this year I'll definitely wear it and rock in the streets of New York City. So look at this. This was, again, at that time also it was oversized. I don't know now it's not oversized. I became size of this jacket. This is how it looks, guys. I think I'm gonna rock this disco look everywhere. You know, I feel a blue denims or white shirt or all black outfit. A little black dress, I think so, underneath. And then I'm gonna wear this jacket on top of that. So yeah, why not? You know, you want people to see you and copy you or not, but just see you, stare you actually. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wear this year. And again, as I said, you know, look, this is so much in trend now. Okay guys, the next trend, which is last but not the least in this list, because there's like so many trending things. This trend is actually classic. You know, this trend is going since so many years, and it's still going. It's gonna be going. So that is leather. Guys, leather is so much in trend. To be honest, in my closet, everything is fox leather. Nothing is real leather. So this is, I'm gonna show you this jacket. This is from Guess. And I bought this season. It is all new. This is the jacket. I had my leather jacket, fox leather jacket before, but then, you know, I've gained, that was from India. That's like 6 or 7 years old. But that's in a closet because that doesn't fit me anymore. Maybe one day I'll be the size of that jacket and I'll wear it again. But now I needed a new jacket for my closet because, you know what, I think leather jacket is trend also, but it's essential also. You should have at least one leather jacket in your closet. I have like few pieces of leather in my closet, you know, which I totally love. This skirt overall dress, that's also fox leather. And you know, I bought this from Zara last year, but I wore this so many times. I wore this in summer as well with like white shirt inside, and it looks amazing, you know. I mean, like, it has buttons, so you can make a slit out of it, you know, which I do. I'm gonna share my pictures in this. Not going to wear it now. And other than that, you know, these brown pants, guys. These ones I bought this year from Zara. You know, I did a little bit of shopping. To be honest, I'm building my closet as of now. So these are the brown pants which I bought. Again, fox leather, and I think they're gonna look really good with white or black on top of it. Alright, so this is it, guys, for the video. What is trending this winter season, and this is all trending this season. Maybe I'm gonna make another video, might be maybe, I don't know. But this is what I know, and I think going really trending during this winter season, and you guys can totally rock these looks. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like it, please hit the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel, because you know, your one subscribe means a lot for me. And yeah, that's it. Happy holidays. Mwah.